Oh, say, see what I see. Congress sitting here in sweet serenity. I could cheer, the reason's clear. For the first time in a year, Adams isn't here. And look, the sun's in the sky, the breeze is blowing by, and there's not a single fly. I sing Hosanna, 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 and it's cool. Come ye cool, conservative men, our like may never ever be seen again. We have land, cash in hand, self-command, future plan. Fortune thrives, society survives in neatly ordered lives with well-endowed wives. Come sing Hosanna, Hosanna, in our breeding and our manner, we are cool. Come ye cool, consider it set. We'll dance together to the same minuet. To the right, never to the right, never to the left, forever to the right. Let our creed be never to exceed regulated speed, no matter what's the need. Come sing Hosanna, Hosanna, emblazoned on our banner is keep cool. To the right, ever to the right, never to the left, forever to the right. Hands attached, tightly latched, everybody matched.
I have a new dispatch. From the Commander Arming of the United Colonies in New York, dispatch number 1158. To the Honorable Congress, John Hancock, President, dear Sir, I woke this morning to find that General Howe has landed 25,000 British regulars, the same mercenaries on Staten Island, and that the fleet, under the command of his brother, Admiral Lord Howe, controls not only the Hudson and East Rivers, but New York Harbor, which now looks like all of London afloat. I can no longer in good conscience withhold from the Congress my certainty that the British Navy object at this time is Philadelphia. Happy should I be if I could see the means of preventing them, but at present I confess not. Oh, how I wish I had never seen the Continental Army. I would have done better to retire to the back country and live in a wigwam. Your obedient, G. Washington.
What we do rationally. We never ever go off half, cops not we. Why begin till we know that we can win? And if we cannot win, why bother to begin? We say this game's not of our choosing. Why should we risk losing? We cold men. Mr. Hancock, you're a man of property, one of us. Why don't you join us in our minuet? Why do you persist in dancing with John Adams? Good Lord, sir, you don't even like him.
That is true. He annoys me quite a lot, but still I'd rather trot to Mr. Adams to get bought.
But why? For personal glory? For a place in history? Be careful, sir. History will brand him and his followers as traitors.
Traitors, Mr. Dickinson, to what? To the British Crown or the British half-crown? Fortunately, there are not enough men of property in America to dictate policy.
Perhaps not. But don't forget that most men with nothing would rather protect the possibility of becoming rich than face the reality of being poor. And that is why they will follow us. To the right, never to the right, never to the left, forever to the right. Where there's gold, a highway will hold, tradition that is old, reluctant to be bold. I sing Hosanna, Hosanna, in a sane and lucid manner. We are cool, we're the cool we say